Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's another episode of It All Food. So guys, today I will be making yam pepper soup porridge. This is a very special dish. Yummy, but very spicy. So if you're a fan of spicy food, this is one best for you. So for this dish, I'll be using cow leg. So I already have my cow leg washed and clean, and I've added that into the pot. Seasoning with salt, a seasoning cube. I'm using the strong cow leg, so I'll be adding 2 cups of water to cook perfectly. I've added my water, then I'll just cover it to cook. So now I will be blending all the things that needs to be blended. I have my scotch bonnet pepper, chili pepper, pepper soup spices, some crayfish, ginger, garlic, and onion. This food tastes better when it's very spicy. So that's why I'm using the chili pepper and scotch bonnet pepper, because I love it very spicy. Right now I'm just going to add this into the blender and blend into a paste. Then I'll set aside. So now I have my pepper blended, then I'll set aside. Right now, let's check on the cow leg. My cow leg is half cooked. Then I'll be adding in the pepper mix. And also I'll be adding in more water. Give that a good mix. Then I'll cover to cook until it's tender. So right now I will be checking on the cow leg again. So at this stage, my cow legs are about 95% cooked. I already have my yam peeled and washed. So I'll add it into the pot. Then I'll season it with some salt. And I'll be adding in some palm oil. And I'll be adding in some chopped onion. And I'll give it a good mix to combine. I will sprinkle in some black pepper, then cover to cook. So guys, now let's check on our yam pepper soup porridge. My yam pepper soup porridge is ready. At this stage, I like to add in some spinach to give it that bright color. Then I will cover to simmer for a minute. Now just give that a good mix to combine. So guys, my yam pepper soup porridge is ready. It's completely ready. Just going to turn off the heat. Bring this down from the heat and dish it. Then I will enjoy it. If you do not have pause for spicy food, don't try this. So If you know you love spicy food, grab your ingredients and make this. And I promise you, you're not going to regret it because you're going to enjoy this dish. This food is so yummy because of the spices in it. So guys, I hope you love this video and I know that you like this dish. You love the dish. You love what you're seeing. If you know you like this dish, you like this video, please just give us a thumbs up. Hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed, please, it's free. Just hit the subscribe button down below. Turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. Don't forget to comment and also share so other people can see this dish. Thanks for your support. And thanks for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video. So don't go anywhere. Come and join me as I enjoy this delicious, yummy, spicy food.